America loves ball joints. Yeah, there it is. Thank you, Russ. Racer 36. Dustin. Especially Russ. It's who you know. Man, this was a bear to get a hold of right here. Should have just bought one. But let me set this up again. This will happen. This is a Miller. And that hole is just a hair. It's almost too big. This is a honker. This is for a truck or something. For the old trucks back in the day. Who knows when that was made. That is an incredible piece of tool history. Let's see. Yeah, this will work. That one. Okay. All right, honker. Let's do this again. It's like we rehearsed it. Let's get this out of the way. Rule. Wait, I gotta get the other one. Oh, of course.